Hey guys, my name is Pete Lashier and I am one of the owners here at Lashier Graphics Signs. Today, we will be answering some common questions that our team has received over the years. First, people often ask us, what are all the services that you provide at Lashier Graphics Signs? And we love when we receive this question because we are a true one-stop shop for all of your graphic and signage needs. Starting with our experienced design team who can assist in bringing your big ideas to life. From there, our talented production team takes the design that our team creates or the artwork you provided and brings it to life in the form of adhesive wall graphics, window clings, banners, yard signs, vehicle wraps, dimensional signage, etc. We can also bring those designs to life in the form of exterior signs and LED video boards that helps tell your story and communicate your message to people passing by your facility each and every day. Finally, our 3M certified install team completes the project by installing the finished product to our customer's satisfaction. So whether you need a simple design, a few yard signs, a custom wall graphic, or an exterior sign on the side of your building, our talented team at Lashier Graphics Signs can help you bring it to life. Secondly, people are always curious if we are limited to serving central Iowa or if we can extend our reach beyond state borders. Over the years, we have expanded from serving the state of Iowa to nationwide. We love being located in central Iowa because it allows us to provide fast turnaround times on shipping at great prices since we're centrally located within the country. So whether you need graphics right down the road in Grimes or all the way in Alaska, we can help. Lastly, and maybe the most commonly asked question that our team receives, is how the heck do you say your last name? Now this is a great question because it is a tough last name to say. So if you've pronounced it Lashier, 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 or Lashier, you are not alone. We love hearing the different pronunciations. It always makes us laugh, always puts a smile on our face. But the correct way to say our last name is Lashier. Don't feel bad if you still can't say it quite yet, if it still kind of trips you up or is tricky. We always love hearing it, always puts a smile on our face, so it's no big deal. In closing, our team here at Lashier Graphics Signs can truly bring your big ideas to life in just about any way imaginable. Whether you need a simple design, if you need yard signs, if you need a wall graphic, if you need an LED video board or an exterior sign on the side of your building, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to help with those projects. In the meantime, please feel free to go to our website at lashier.com to see any of our recent projects, to take a deeper dive into our capabilities and to just meet our team. We'd love to help on any future projects. Please keep us in mind, and thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate it.